Now you're scared all of a sudden?
Oh, come on. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come on.
See, it's not bad. It's not bad.
She was like the camera.
Good light.
What's that?
They were a really good light. Hey, welcome to Kentucky. Hey, look, it's the hot rod of the year. We're just got done doing some rolling shots across this bridge that's kind of heavily traveled, what normally isn't traveled. So getting ready to go shoot this thing next to a railroad bridge and ride along with us. Smells like a field out here. That's a lot of hay. Turn the wheel to the right, to your left, just a little hair, just a hair. That's good right there. Oh, a little bit more. Give me a little more. Perfect. Oh, that's gonna look good. We ain't gonna have to stay out here till midnight.
Hi, my name's Mike Whitney from Cincinnati, Ohio. This is my 32 Roadster that I won Hot Rod of the Year with. This car started out as just kind of a race car theme hot rod that collected parts over probably the last 5 or 6 years. Started just with a silhouette of somewhat of a race car theme in my head. Just kind of progressed from there. Started with just collecting speed equipment. Started with some hollow brand wheels, some wishbones, badass little 327, 5-speed. Did a bunch of machine work, make some hollow brand brakes work, hollow brand hubs. When I started this, I bought a brand new Brookville body and immediately cut the quarter panels off to fit the 18-inch wheels. I always have trouble looking at somebody's Roadster with 18s and stock wheel wells, so I had to immediately cut the wheel wells. Always envision the windshield laid back on a Roadster too, so had to cut the cowl off of it, make my own windshield, lay the post back, and try to make it streamlined, kind of make it going at speed going down the road. Kind of sitting still, kind of want to make it look like it's going fast. Profile of this car is pretty neat. raised everything up super high, tunnel everything to get the profile view of where the exhaust, and there's nothing essentially hanging down below the belt line of the frame. Just a big open view of 32 frame.
Yep. All loaded. Oh, good dude. It's always nice when you get permission to shoot an awesome spot like this bridge back here. Thanks to that guy.